All right, hello guys. In this short video that I want to do for you, okay, I want to actually show you how you can move any of your recent designs in one Canva account to another Canva account. Is that clear? Sometimes we have issues with maybe your account has been maybe downgraded or kind of, right? Maybe you're in a pro version before, now you have been moved towards a paid free one kind of, right? So how do you move what you have been editing before that are not done with from that old account to a new account? How can you transfer? Okay, and it's very simple. Okay, now this is the stamp. Okay, I'm going to be showing you what you need to do here to make good money. All right, in this channel, that's what I do. I'm going to be showing you what you need to do to make more money and to get yourself out of the hook. Okay, financial hook as it is generally. That's what I do. Okay, so quickly, let's not waste our time. This is what I do. This is an account. Okay, this is a pro account. Actually, you can see this is a team pro account. How do you confirm? Come over here, click on this menu box. All right, and then you're going to see the email address you're going to use to sign up. All right. The email address is here. Can you see the email address? This is what I used to sign up, right, in this particular account. Okay, so let's go back here. I want to move this particular design to another account, okay, in Canva. All right, and I'm going to do that online. Okay, let's open it quickly so that you can understand what I'm saying. Open it and let it pop up. All right, so what we do is this is it, right? So just click on this. Okay, we're going to move it from this account to another account now. So come over here, click on copy link. All right, click on it. All right, click on it, and then you can click on share link. But before then, look at it. Here you have only you can access. Click on this drop bar, and then you're going to see only you can access by this is the particular team I'm in now, and then anyone with the link. Okay, so click on anyone with the link so that it will be easy for you to locate over there, right? So when you do that, click on share link. Quickly click on that, and then look for any browser. Okay, any of your browsers. So you can see I have Chrome here, I have Edge, and I have other browsers. Okay, but I want to use Chrome as an example. Just click on it. All right, now it will take you to an online Canva. Is that clear? It will take you to online Canva, and then what you do is click on edit design. Okay, just click on this edit design, and then sign in with the old account. You are moving these details to all the new account you want to move it to. So let's say I want to use this particular email to sign in, okay, into Canva. This is maybe the one I want to move the product to or the design to. Okay, so you go to move in there automatically. You can see here it comes. All right, so this is the design. I have moved it from the previous account to a new account. Okay, it was Dwoco AI Bank to forgetity@gmail.com. I'm talking about two different emails. So how do I confirm? Click on the home here. Click on home to confirm the email you have moved it to. All right, you can see here. Okay, you can see here is the edu account. The other one was a team account. This is edu account. You can see down here, and then over here, just click on the menu box here. Just check. You can see. You just click down the drop bar here. You go to see the team here. Right? You can see that this is pro team, and this is a different email entirely. So automatically, I moved the design from one account to another account in Canva. Is it clear? Now, if you want to get this same stuff in your app, what you do is just go to your app. Okay, let's go back to the app. Hold on. Okay, now that you have moved the product the design from this account to the other one, just come over here, click on the home now. All right, click on the home, and then click on this and come over here, sign out. Okay, sign out from it. This is the app now. Okay, I'm not the where I moved it to. I used the online to move it, right? Now I have to come back to the app, sign in with the other accounts. Sign in. Okay, just hold on. This is it. You can see this is it. This is the account. Okay, just sign in now. You're going to see the product has been moved in your app as well. Okay, let's find out. Voila, that is the app. Okay, this is the product. Sorry, the design. You can see that. So it has been moved. Now how do you confirm? You can see Canva Edge. This is the app now. This is not the online. Okay, I moved it through online. Come back to the app to get it. If I click on it now, I can edit it again from here. You can see that. You can see click on edit. You see? Let me show you something. There was something they showed me here. You can see here. You can see what I presented by Dwoco AI Bank. This was where I moved it to. What date? On September 4, 2023. Okay, click on edit, and then you can start editing it again here. Is that okay? So this is how you moved your design. It's very simple, right? God bless you. See you some other time. Bye for now. This is okay. Please, please do this for me, all right? Click on the subscription bell, all right, and let's subscribe to this channel so they can get more of this. Okay, if you follow us on TikTok or Instagram as well, follow us. Okay, so that we can get more stuff like this for you. Okay, so they can make good money for yourself. All right. God bless you. The time came is out for now. Shalom.